Hey everybody, this is Jay from American Survival. I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Today I'm cutting up some logs to put in our driveway. I'm going to build a makeshift type bridge out of pretty good sized white oak logs. And basically what I'm doing is I set the log up on some stands that I made. And I laid a rod down the center of the log, and I took some spray paint and I spray painted across the top of it. When I pulled the rod off, it left a straight line. So basically I'm taking the chainsaw and I'm kind of cutting it back and forth, and I'm letting the weight of the blade, cut its way into the log. You can do this to cut your own boards. You got to remember, in between each of these cuts, you got to figure that cut's going to be a 1/2 inch. So if you want a 2-inch board, you need to measure 2 1/4 and mark your line, and because you'll lose a 1/4 inch off of each side of the board. So you always want to account for that 1/2 inch gap in between the width of your boards. But you can do this repeatedly and leave a small section on each end attached, and then cut all the way through at the very end, and then all the way through in the middle, then cut through at the very end. After you cut all your boards, then you come back through and start from the outside. Just go back and forth outside, working your way in, and cut the little sections that you left for each board attached, and it'll just fall. But I'll show you. I've started this one. I lack a little bit more. I've run out of gas, so I'll fire this up and we'll finish cutting this, and you can kind of see how I go about ripping the logs in half. And like I said, you can also, if you need to, you can make boards this way. This is how I made my woodshed. So stay tuned, and we'll see if we can get this thing cut in half. Well, there's two pieces from a bridge, and that's a little over 8 foot long. I think 8 foot and a couple inches. So yeah, I think I'm gonna need at least two more cut in half like this, possibly three, I don't know. And this took about, working slow, took about 30 minutes to cut through. So, but I got two pretty big beefy beams. 16, 18 inches wide. That is most definitely a pretty big beefy log. Yeah, it didn't want to start back on me after it got warm. But if you like what I'm doing, then hit that subscribe button. If you haven't been subscribed to my channel, hit that like button. And this is just a quick tutorial on how to rip the logs in half or cut boards. Like I said, these are going in my driveway, so I think now I've got enough to start work on the driveway. So stay tuned for the next episode. If you want to see more, keep an eye out. I'll have a video coming soon of the driveway rebuild. So till next time, y'all take care, be safe, God bless. Thanks for watching.